Well, hello and welcome to I Love Gay today. And we are in sunny Los Angeles today with Nicole Conn. How are you, Nicole?
I'm absolutely great, Matt. Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm good. Very staying safe, safe and staying.
Thank you.
I'm from LA, where you're at, and I moved to New York about 7 years ago. But now I'm just outside the city, so it's much much easier to quarantine here than it would have been if
Yes,
we were still in
I bet.
Manhattan.
Have
Yeah.
you been in the city at all since this time?
No, my last time there was March 15th, so it was
Oh,
like right
wow.
when everything was
Right then. Yeah.
right at the edge. Yeah,
Yeah.
and so.
When I see the shots of New York before when it was closed down and everything was completely peopleless, it was so eerie.
Yeah, yeah. But no, it's interesting because you and I we've known of each other vicariously through social media,
Yeah.
and I
For
have
a long time.
you almost might say I'm one of your favorite stalkers,
Yes, you
but
are.
but no, we've enjoyed your posts and follow your shows, and in fact, right now you have something new that has just come out. Tell us a little bit about.
You almost got yourself killed, not to mention your backup.
I know what I'm doing.
I can see the fear in your eyes.
Baby, please! Let her go!
You're off the case. Off duty, 90 days.
Hey, kid. Are you supposed to be out here alone? Where's your mom?
Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday. Hey, were you here a few summers ago?
No.
I think I don't know what people see gawking at me.
Freak!
Their eyes are like pinballs. Look anywhere but at the gork.
That premiere.
The latest film was released worldwide on May 8th. It's More Beautiful for Having Been Broken.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful love story between a special needs boy, a boy with Fanconi anemia, actually, and two women very, very inspired by my son who has special needs and is very medically fragile. And so it's been doing really well. The women seem to love it, and so do the straight universe, which is why we went with Vision Films this time globally, and also distributing through Wolfe Video, who has been my distributor for the last almost 30 years,
Yeah.
and LesFlicks in the UK.
Wolf Video, near
Yeah.
and dear to my heart. But
Yes.
the subject matter of this, that kind of strikes home for you as well, because you also have a special needs child during this pandemic. How's
Yeah.
that been?
It's been very, very tense on some levels, and I've gone into like mega PTSD because he used to, the first 5 years of his life, he lived in the hospital and was always, defying death. And because he has such severe chronic lung disease from being on so many ventilators, he just cannot get this. If he did, he wouldn't make it. So
Yeah,
we've
yeah.
gone to a very, very core group of just 2 nurses and myself, and we cover all the shifts. We usually have 6 to 7 nurses, but if we have any nurses who see other patients, they're not allowed in the house. The only people are those 2 nurses, myself and his sister, Gabrielle.
Wow.
And that's it. It's just too dire for him.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, there was a great interview I just saw of you recently. So when we post all this, I'll make sure that's also linked in there so that people
thank
can
you so
find that,
much.
because it was very
Awesome.
good.
Thank you.
But I also, when I was exploring some of your work and seeing, I see that you're also tied in very closely or promoting with LesFlicks out of I think the
Yeah.
UK.
Yeah, well, LesFlicks is a very fascinating and interesting site and destination hub because Naomi Bennett, the founder and owner, has a database of all lesbian movies that have been made from the beginning of time.
Yeah.
And what we're trying to do with Nicole Conn Films Global is have a database of everything that's in production in current time, so that women all over the world can try to get involved with their favorite webisode or a film or a TV series, et cetera, et cetera. So, yeah.
Wow. Yeah,
Mhm.
no, and we're going to link to that as well, because there's just so much crossover, and I know they're doing like this weekly.
Yeah,
I
they
want
were
to call it.
they were working with Curve to have a film festival, and we just
Yeah,
did our film festival with them on the 13th of
yeah,
May through Curve, and showed More Beautiful as well. So
yeah.
yeah, really, really active.
No, I enjoy all that. So, no, again, this was just these are always nice little 5 minutes to be able to have an opportunity for folks to meet new folks that we've known online there, but then also just helping to kind of get the word out and keep us all connected during this weird time. So
Yeah, it's
no,
been very strange.
I look forward to being out in. Normally every year we're out in Los Angeles for Outfest, and I'm
Mhm.
sure you'd be there as well. So if they reschedule or if they still have it in July, whatever the case may be, I look forward to being able to meet you in person out there as well.
Oh, I would love that, Matt. I really
Yeah.
would, because we have been interconnected for a long time.
Exactly. No, I enjoy this. So no, well, you have a wonderful weekend that's starting
Thank
out.
you so much.
And in the meantime, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thank you, Matt. Really appreciate it. Have a great day.
You
Stay
too.
safe.
Thanks.
Okay?
You too. Take
All righty,
care.
hon. Take care.